guys, here's Hunter Coastal Please. I'm trying to figure out how to prop this iPhone 8 onto the camera stand. It's not doing it. And I'm so frustrated right now. Here's low. Still wobbles like hell. Sorry, there's music in the background. My dad's playing music right now while he's cooking. We're cleaning up. So I should say, because I'm done with dinner. It's about low. Here's medium. It's not a musical edition, guys. So Will Hall 98 had two of these fans. He used to be the fan guy 21. He pulled them out of his old house, but I don't know if he's around. He's now searing my 89203. He has no videos in now. I don't know why he deleted all his videos. I loved his videos. So I've even watched his old channel, the Fan Guy 21, as a kid, and this thing's wobbling. I'm gonna hold this so the wires won't come off. He used to be Fan Guy 21, but now he's Will Hall 98. Now he's seeing my 89203. I don't know why he's not uploading videos anymore. I think he probably moved. And he loves his big testing space, and his testing space is very big. Anyway, so I won't pick the high. It's gonna wobble like crazy. When this was flush mounted, this thing probably almost shook the beam. This thing would need blade irons. This thing had broken blades, this would wobble like this. See, it wobbles like crazy. You can feel some air from it. Turn down the low for a little bit while I talk. So, story behind this. Will Hall had two of these in his old house, and one of them, his mom reversed it while it was on high and it broke. And the other one lost, the capacitor blew for medium speed, so it just went high, low, low. But he fixed the medium speed, and now medium speed works okay. But then, Will Hall gave up his old house. It's pretty sad. I loved his videos. Even his old channel, The Fan Guy 21. He even played music while he was testing his fans. Hear the furnace. I'm going to put it on high to put airflow. I'm probably going to have some frustration propping this camera back. It's a wobbly fan. Bent blades. Wobbles a little more than, well, they tested the Reddington 4. I'm going to prop this camera. There we go. I'm going to turn this off. Do spin down. Watch it wobble down. I'm only going to show low and medium reverse. That's about it. Because this thing is such a junkster on high speed reverse. So I'm worried that this thing will wobble even more. I used to love Will Howell's old videos. Even his old channel, because he had an enormous shop. He used to show around his fans a lot in a lot of his videos. I even liked the Hampton Bay Camerons that he had. and the Delta 3, which is an IntelliTouch Delta 2, and whatever else he had. I don't know what else he had, but I think he probably had a 2 CECs. I need to go to the bathroom so badly. Is it on the fan? Yep, still on the fan. Let the face a little more. It's hard to kind of test it. I have to move the camera stand back. Blades are bent out of shape. I'll tell you that for sure. Will Hall's Coastal Breezes were doing okay. But this one's shaking. I don't know what happened to his videos and why he deleted his videos. Leave a comment below on why he deleted his videos, because I sure loves his videos. But only low and medium. That's about it. I think I'm only going to run this on low if I ever have to install it somewhere with these out of shape blade irons. I think this needs new blade irons. Floor tested this one time and it almost shook the floor. Medium. That's just medium speed. We're going to just show it on that speed. I'm just only going to show low, medium, then put it back to low. I think Will Hall found these in a pharmacy and one wobble like crazy too, like this one. This one wobbles even worse than the one in the pharmacy. I'm going to put this back to low. I was going to do a no commentary video. I forgot I was supposed to have these lights on. But I decided not to. I might do it. I might not have time because I'm busy on school and stuff. Excuse me. So yeah, thanks for watching.